So here we're in the wild. Oh, we're looking at a fucking wild carburetor. We're gonna take the fucking. Oh! Come on, you pussy!
Sweet.
Oh yeah, this one's actually shorter. There's water in it.
Oh, fuck off.
Should we plug that? Plug that after.
Rag or something?
Yeah.
So we're out here. In Daniel's garage.
So pretty.
Check out the new bench. Go watch that video.
Nice.
Oh, did she?
Now it's a new video. Where'd my chair go?
Should put that in the video too.
Hey man,
It's a new video.
what's going on? This
It's a
segment's
new
called
video.
Electrical with White Dane.
NG.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't say my last name. I'll just say Wyatt and then just cut.
You can,
Anyways.
dude. I got you. I have a bleeping noise for you.
Fuck yeah. Anyways, so here we go. We got this whole ECU, and if you see in a previous video,
It's an ECU.
yeah, this little thing's like an ECU.
This is electronically controlled.
Fucking right. It's electronically controlled by this little fucker, or it's a CDI or whatever the fuck it's
It's
called.
probably a CDI.
Anyways, I call it a CPU.
The fuck am I shooting?
Anyways, so if we go back to that clip from the fire,
Move back.
roll clip.
Move back to this JB Weld action here. Fuck. Yo, get some action on this.
Meanwhile, in another video, Daniel's fucking.
You're fucking me right now, boy.
Okay, back to electrical with what, Dane?
Electrical with White Dane here.
You know what? We should JB Weld the other side so it looks.
Why don't just JB weld the wires together?
Basically, what happened is that
oh,
the
yeah.
fire burnt all these connections, so I had to cut them and splice them, and then what I'm doing today is I'm gonna clean up the bike. Gonna make it look a little nicer when we go to sell this motherfucker to old Sicilian sweatshop, throwing that you know, not I didn't, you know, I'm gonna kill myself.
Making it look a little nicer.
Making her look a little bit nicer,
Don't
just
even
to
worry,
impress
we're
the
gonna-
bitches.
Right? Yeah, debit. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, you do. Oh my god, there's too much stuff in my hands.
Forgot to tighten things down.
What did we forget to tighten? Green. Nice. Actually looks pretty good.
Hold on, I need to get the one screw.
gonna spray the screw green?
Oh, it's like a fucking like layer of like.
I like that.
What do you think? Just give me a. What do you have to say, Daniel?
I mean, it runs.
Daniel?
Let's strain the gas outside.
It runs.
That's it. It actually doesn't look bad.